ولا تحسبن الذين قتلوا في سبيل الله أمواتا بل أحياء عند ربهم يرزقون.
Islam regards the term jihad as sacred, signifying struggle. This struggle aims to improve humanity and promote peace. It's crucial to note that jihad does not equate to a holy war. Unfortunately, people often misinterpret jihad as a holy war due to repeated propaganda without understanding its true meaning. In reality, each of us engages in jihad numerous times every day. For instance, if those around you resort to unethical or shortcut methods to earn money, but you adhere to your values and choose the right path, even if it means financial struggles for your family, you are engaging in jihad, struggling against the temptation to take an easy way in the way of Allah. In this video, we will address whether killing innocent people in the name of jihad is allowed. It will also discuss some Quranic verses and hadith related to jihad as a holy war. Watch this video entirely to resolve all your queries about jihad. The purpose of jihad in Islam, or engaging in wars for the sake of Allah, serves specific objectives. It is justified as a means of self-defense, allowing Muslims to respond to aggression. Additionally, jihad aims to elevate religious faith, enabling people to think and practice their beliefs without compulsion. Conditions and rulings for jihad encompass several principles. Firstly, jihad should be motivated by a noble cause, devoid of personal interests or private gains. Combat should be directed only against warriors, with a strict prohibition against harming defenseless civilians, women, and children. Emphasizing humane treatment, the preservation of captives' lives is highlighted. Environmental preservation is also mandated, prohibiting actions like killing animals, cutting trees, destroying crops, or polluting natural resources. Jihad is limited to fighting enemies permitted by Islamic law, excluding those with whom Muslims have a truce. Moreover, the use of human shields is generally forbidden. Quranic verses and prophetic traditions on jihad must be understood within the concept that mercy is the backbone and root of all Islamic legislations and rulings. Allah in the Quran and the Prophet Muhammad in his prophetic traditions have laid out the purpose of jihad and set the foundational bases that define jihad. Allah Almighty has revealed in chapter 5 of the Holy Quran, verse number 32.
من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا ولقد جاءتهم رسلنا بالبينات ثم إن كثيرا منهم بعد ذلك في الأرض لمسرفون.
Whosoever takes the life of an innocent soul, it is as if he has slain the entire mankind, and whoever saves one carries a reward of saving the entire mankind. Man is the greatest creation of Allah, and according to the verse, the gravity of the sin of slaying down the whole mankind is immense, considering mankind is supposed to be the best creation of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty further says in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 190,
وقاتلوا في سبيل الله الذين يقاتلونكم ولا تعتدوا إن الله لا يحب المعتدين.
Fight in the way of Allah against those who fight against you, but do not transgress, for Allah loves not transgressors. This verse instructs believers to engage in combat for the sake of Allah, but with a crucial condition: to fight those who initiate hostilities against them. It emphasizes self-defense and cautions against exceeding limits in the pursuit of justice. Allah explicitly condemns transgression, highlighting that He does not favor those who violate boundaries. Regarding prophetic insights, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has strongly prohibited killing innocent people in the name of jihad or holy war. One hadith says, "Whoever kills a mu'ahad will not smell paradise," a term used in the Islamic State to refer to non-Muslim citizens, and its scent can be smelled from a distance of 40 years. This hadith straightforwardly tells Muslims not to kill innocent people, even in the event of war. How can anybody justify killing innocent people in the name of jihad? Most youngsters brainwashed to carry out suicide missions may not even know the basics of Islam, let alone be practicing Muslims. They are misguided by individuals claiming to be religious leaders, fighting the infidels by waging jihad. Terrorism is not a product of genuine understanding religious, but is seen as a manifestation of the immorality inherent in individuals with cruel hearts, arrogant souls, and distorted logic. Terrorists often misuse the Islamic concept of jihad to justify their actions, causing confusion and misinterpretation. The text distinguishes military jihad from terrorism, emphasizing that just war, as sanctioned by Islamic law, is permissible only for repelling an attack and protecting oneself, home, and family. Terrorism, in contrast, falls short of meeting the necessary conditions for a just jihad, including the requirement for authorization by the Muslim ruler after consultation with specialists and consultants. Terrorism, by its very nature, contradicts these fundamental teachings. In addition to this, terrorism's disregard for the lives of women and children is condemned, citing a tradition of the Prophet forbidding the killing of women and children, with scholars concurring as long as they do not engage in combat. This underscores the inconsistency between terrorist actions and the principles advocated in Islam. In a nutshell, jihad is a comprehensive concept encompassing various spheres of activity, all directed towards self and societal improvement. Despite the legitimacy of a cause, Islam does not condone the killing of innocent people. Terrorizing the civilian population, whether by individuals or states, can never be termed as jihad, and can never align with the teachings of Islam. As we explore Quranic verses and prophetic traditions, the purpose of jihad in Islam becomes evident. It serves specific objectives, primarily self-defense and the establishment of religious freedom. The video aims to debunk misconceptions about jihad, particularly the false link between jihad and terrorism. Quranic verses and prophetic traditions condemn the killing of innocent souls, emphasizing the gravity of such actions. The Prophet's teachings explicitly forbid the killing of non-combatants, highlighting the sanctity of human life.